Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. What we see here is this flange being too low. So this flange from the side is too low for this floor. So this floor, they built up later on. So the flange here, we want either flush or slightly higher. So if you were to put a max wax seal, it's probably not going to be enough wax to cover this span. So what you can do, and this is a professional trick, is you can take two wax seals, put one on top of the other, and now you can see how much higher the wax is. And this is a way to bridge the gap. Guys, if your flange is way too low, just stack one wax seal on top of the other, and when you put your toilet down, you should have a nice solid seal. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.